keep reaching like I need to cancel splits.
Ready?
I guess I've got small on my mind. God, my ear today is so itchy. I have no idea why. There we go. Finally past free fall. Only to die to melting pot.
Ready?
Melting pot is such a dumb stage in challenge mode. That I just nailed like a champ. I love using the manual camera on challenge mode melting pot. Getting a successful clear using it is so satisfying.
Ready? Go! Fall out. Ready? Go!
And once I get past the soup, once I get, oh my god, really? Well, that's a time loss. I was gonna say, once I get past, like, melting pot, I'm usually in the clear to get to the factory. Not in the clear to get past the factory, because we got combination, we got opera, we got tears, we got, what's the one, cliffs. I try to forget about cliffs. You know, a lot that can go wrong in the factory. Ironic, the stages that are in the clock tower factory in this category, and the ones that are in this category that show up in the clock tower factory in small, are the two batches of stages that, in the Warpless run, I'm probably most scared of. Because in the Warpless run, that means that you have to play opera and cliffs. Whereas if this was Warps, you could literally skip both of those. Which is nice.
Ready? Go!
Alright, so only a little bit of a mishap on Show Machine. That was all that went wrong.
Ready?
I almost threw that at the end. Really glad that I didn't.
Ready? Ready?
Here's the big bow. I know how this strat works. That is the first time the party ball has caught me. I've seen it catch other people on that strat. It's never happened to me before that. Let's go. Opera is one of the scariest strats in the game. The whole game. Across all categories, that's one of the scariest in my opinion. I don't think it's quite as scary as the Crazy Maze strat in small, but... that I think is just due to personal skill set. I'm not good at strats that don't have visual indicators like Crazy Maze. Beautiful cliffs.
Ready?
If this was a World 6 I was having in small right now, I'd be through the roof excited. Switch Inferno, Switch Inferno. Hopefully the switch right in front of the goal doesn't do me wrong. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There we go. That was like, I don't think I could have asked for a better clock tower. This in this category, like that was so smooth. I really hope that I can carry it forward on World 7. Because there is Civ, there is Flock, there is Hierarchy, there is... I'm gonna be playing 8 bracelets the normal way, because I can't do the 47 strat on Blue Goal. That's like one of the few strats that I don't do. Like, there's a small handful of strats that are like 5-ish second time saves at most usually, that I still don't do because like they feel risky to me. They feel like too risky to me right now. I do plan on learning them soon though.
Ready?
I should have warmed up Strata before going into this run thinking about it. That could have gotten obstacle skip, but I was a little bit worried about the angle I was coming into that clip at. Okay, didn't drop. I thought that I might have dropped too early. That was a touch scary.
Ready? Ready?
Third scariest stage in the run, right here. Oh, that's not a good sign. Yeah, I don't know, like, how I was never able to get centered. Like, that felt like the inputs I was making should have gotten me centered. I don't know how that one lived. Like, that was weird. Second try Civ, I'll take it. Oh, 06, I think, works. Yep.
Ready?
I really want there to be some RTA strat on double spiral. So right now it's just sort of long and clunky. I wish that there was a green goal on this strat. Like, it feels like both spirals on the underside should have blue goals, and then both spirals on the outer side should have green. Like, that's just how it feels to me. Not that it would matter in the Warpless run, because we'd be taking blue goals anyway, but still. Good hierarchy. Okay.
Ready? Go!
Gonna do a bit of 8 bracelets action. Alright. Good, 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 good.
Ready?
And like the death on Civ was not too lengthy either, so that was solid. That was a solid World 7. Now I got World 8. Where runs go to die. Not doing fast pistons. There was no way I was going to be able to do that. Okay.
Ready? Go!
That frame didn't work yesterday. And it worked today. Oh my god. Let's go. Alright.
Ready?
See you, Evan. Have a good one. momentum. This is
Ready?
actually a huge run killer, because we're not taking green gold. It's weird. For the longest time I was like, Entangled Path is a run killer because I'm taking the green goal. The party ball on the blue goal is a huge issue. Like, this is one of the few stages in this game that I really, really wish had Banana Blitz goals. Where they're just sort of goal screens. That would make the stage so much better. Got through it. I almost took that too slow. But I was confident I knew what I was doing, so.
Ready?
Okay, this strat's way harder to line up in challenge mode.
Fall out. Ready?
Because the checkers... Okay, I'm playing it normally. The checkers, for some reason, are like scaled differently on the challenge mode version of Totters. So it's way harder to see where you're supposed to actually line yourself up for the Totters strat. It's really annoying.
Ready?
Nice.
Ready?
Bad warp, but we take it because it's not a death.
Ready?
Going for the strat, this is probably a really stupid idea, but... We're gonna hit it first try. Redemption from yesterday in small. That is redemption right there.
Ready?
Trampoline redemption. Okay, aside from an incident on Totters, that was a really good World 8.
Ready? Go! Fall out. Ready? Go!
I'm a little bit nervous about Flat Maze, I'm not gonna lie. Like, Flat Maze and Strata and Free Throw right now, and probably Pendulum, those four genuinely have me a little bit nervous right now, because this pace I'm on is pretty solid. Could it be better? Yeah, it could be. But it's still very solid pace. 55, 55, that's a magic number on Spinning Saw.
Ready? Ready?
Alright. The run killer to end all run killers, right here. Nope, I can't pause retry. If I pause retry, I start the whole expert over again. Second try. Let's go. That is massive. That means I'm still on good pace. I'm not going for any cycle skippage. Every time I go for cycle skips, horrible things happen. And it's only for 2 seconds. I'm still learning guillotine cycle skips. Not ready to use them here. Alright, hopefully corkscrew goes well. Corkscrew could be an issue though. Oh my god, that was scary. I like couldn't cut my speed on the second spiral downward. That was scary. Oh. Oh man.
Ready? Go!
I can't pause retry. Death on Twin Basin, that's fine. I can recover from that. Gotta remember, in Banana Mania, it is way easier to stop, or like to slow way down coming towards the goal, compared to SMB2. Okay, that's fine. I can afford a few deaths on air hockey. There we go. 9:29 into the extras. Pretty good. Much better than yesterday. I am very scared of strata, free throw, and pendulums right now. Okay, I just died on charge. Almost died on charge again, but we're living. I'm trying to figure out why I had like no speed on that first attempt on charge. You know, I'm going for it once. I did not think that was actually gonna work. Okay, wait a minute. Wait a minute. That was stupid, but it worked. Alright. Oh, I thought I got too much of a deep clip there. Did I go too late? Nope. There is so much leeway in this strat. 5 drums. Nice 5 drums too. Let's go. Alright. 5 stages left. Come on, I can do this. I will never understand why literally the hardest goal on free throw is the blue goal. There we go. Some time loss on free throw. Hopefully it won't be a big deal. Come on. I know the strat like the back of my hand. I can do this. Okay. So I can try pendulums. Okay. I'm pulling up the frame sheet for Train Worm now. So I can't view chat for the next 2 stages, but... Okay, going into Train Worm on world record pace. Come on.
Ready?
45 is too late. Damn, okay. So now I need 58, 56, or 53. 56. Okay, that didn't work how the frame sheet said it would. It should. Okay, this is not good. Come on. Oh my god, the backup! No way. SMB2 expert Warpless world record. First sub 13 by a quarter of a second. Yo, that backup on Train Worm though, there is no making that up. Oh my god. I'm putting the hat on to celebrate. What? Oh my god, no way. I'm gonna just double check real quick. Yeah, previous record was 13:21.9 by Peters Inc. Oh my god. Okay. And there's so much room for improvement in that category too. I like that category a lot. I'm gonna keep running it, I think. Oh my god. Being able to actually get a world record in this game for the first time since the first few weeks when there was that initial battle for deluxe mode. Being able to get a world record again, I mean, that's a huge confidence booster. Like, I was able, like, sure, I made, you know, the mistake on free throw and I died on charge, but, you know, through nerves, I hit falling strata and giant swing and 5 drums. Like, nerves were real and I had to clutch some hard stuff through it. That, like, that gives me so much confidence. And I can't wait, I cannot wait to see you just blow this time out of the water, Peter. I know you're gonna do it. Yes, let's go! Oh my god, I'm so happy. I'm so happy right now.